Hi all, I'm going to be doing my summary on a website called Storybird. Okay, so what is Storybird? Storybird is a great learners-based online tool for readers and writers. It is an online tool for developing language knowledge, especially for reading comprehension and writing. It allows everyone to create and share their own stories. What does Storybird do? So, this online tool provides online courses, challenges, and reader feedback that help students improve their writing. Students, teachers, parents, and tutors can design picture books on their own or working teams. It allows anyone to make visual stories in seconds. It also contains three types of stories. The first one is picture books, the second one is long form books, and the third is poetry. How to use Storybird. So, like every website, you have to create an account. You should be able to do that when you enter the home page. After that, you'll click on a blue sign up button in the middle of your browser, and then you'll be able to create your account. Storybird provides two different accounts. One is more like personal for like students to use on their own. Um, for those students that take the initiative, or like the parents take the initiative to have them use the website, or they also offer a school account. So this website boosts writing skills. Um, Storybird writing curriculum offers 700 plus lessons, quizzes, writing prompts, and creates experience for educators and expert authors. It allows students to explore their creativity by choosing from multiple writing formats, from comics to picture books to poetry to long form. It also allows students to get inspired because it offers so many different books. Um, these children can get inspired because, like, when they read these certain books, they could, you know, start to think on how to make these books better. You are also able to publish your work. So when you create a book, you're able to submit it and get get feedback from experts, teachers, and professionals and authors. So how can Storybird be used in classroom? So anyone is able to browse through a gallery of professional artwork until they find something inspiring or related to their story or book. Story or poem. The site also offers resources for teachers, like writing lessons in private classroom settings. Storybird's tools inspire young people to build confidence and creativity in their writing. Teachers can create assignments and review and comment on submitted stories. Teachers can check on the progress of their students, provide any feedback, invite up to 40 students to join their class. Teachers can also have access to over 400 courses and challenges, which are aligned with the common teaching standards and come with worksheets and our expanded resource list. They're also able to choose from 10,000 plus illustrations provided by authors. And like I mentioned earlier, um, these type of images are able to be selected according to the story or poem. So some of the highlights on this website is that it allows teachers and students to try the site before actually making a purchase. So it's not like you're basically just purchasing it and you don't know what you're getting yourself into. Um, you're able to make a decision within those 7 days, which I think is good. Um, Storybird also develops its services with the classroom in mind, as users can filter published stories and artwork by age and topic. I think this is super convenient as well because you're not just like viewing everything in general. You're able to filter it specifically to your needs. Students are able to practice writing skills, which include organization and the uses of grammar. Storybird also stimulates learners' creativities from supplied pictures. So some of the pitfalls, obviously every website has, I feel, pitfalls. And some of these pitfalls include is that um it lim so you're only able to select from the pictures that the website has. So let's say that a student or I don't know, a teacher has their own art or their pictures that they want to include. Unfortunately, they're unable to do that. So I feel like that limits, creativity. Storybird also does not allow users to type a lot of words on each page. I think that this is super inconvenient because what if a student has, a longer story or a long page that relates to the picture. So now they have to go on and select another picture. Um, yeah. So my opinion on Storybird is I like how it's interactive. It allows students and teachers to be creative. I also like that it's not expensive. I feel like it's a reasonable price. They offer a one-time annual fee of $59.98, or you can make monthly payments of $8.99. Schools are also offered up to 50% off for you yearly school memberships. And I believe it's like 100 to 200 members that are allowed. It also provides a tutorial for all new users, which is super important because it's not like you're just thrown and you don't know what to do. And also, the website is ads free. I know that this is like something very big, especially for me, because a lot of the times you're going through a site and then you get um, an ad and you get distracted and then you're lost and you have to start yourself over. Okay, so my questions are, do you think that this tool really helps students read, or do you think that normal reading from books helps? Do you feel the charges are worth it? And also, what else do you feel is needed on this site?